Dokkio Sidebar has an exciting new MultiSearch feature that makes your online searches much more useful. Let's take a look. Here's the Dokkio account for my marketing agency. It's connected to Box, Dropbox, email, Drive, and more. Inside Google Drive, I look for the Tennis Pro rankings that my team shared with me. There are 2 copies of a proposal and 2 screenshots of rankings from 2020. Not exactly what I wanted. Maybe the list was an attachment to an email, or shared in Dropbox or Slack. I'm about to waste a lot of time looking for it, but not with MultiSearch. This tile tells me that Dokkio Sidebar has searched all the places where my files live and has results. Here they are. Sidebar's MultiSearch found a file attached to a recent email, a clipped web page, and a file in Box. One of those is probably what I want. And if not, one click shows me all 18 files that Dokkio knows. Sidebar automatically transformed my frustrating Google Drive only search into a productive multi-search. If Dokkio knows about the file, it will be found. Multi-search also activates anytime you do a Google web search. In fact, it already supports these 8 web apps, and we plan to keep expanding that list. To summarize, Sidebar's new multi-search capability transforms your online searches. You can stop worrying about where to search and focus on what.